Perched above Brush Creek with panoramic views, this 4-bedroom home with more than 3,000 square feet that includes a separate contiguous deeded building lot. Located just 7 minutes from the airport between Aspen and Snowmass, you have end-of-the-road privacy, nearly 6 acres of land on 2 lots with rare views of all 4 ski areas. Inside, the open floor plan features Brazilian cherry wood floors with walls of windows so you can soak up the views. The high ceilings and large gathering areas, along with 3 separate decks, make this a great home for entertaining. Located within the Aspen School District, this home lets you take advantage of world-class recreation, from Snowmass to Aspen Mountain to the Roaring Fork River below. Live in the current home and build a separate guest house next door, or build your dream home. The possibilities are endless with this much land in this location and these kinds of views. Call today for a private showing of this Brush Creek property.